Hi, lovely people. This is your friend Abigail Kwashi from Elax Stitches. Yeah, and on this our page, we promise to teach you everything fashion. Yeah, we do a lot of things here, and we don't want to hide anything from you. We will be teaching you everything. So, what you would have to do is just to like, share our page, subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post a video, you would watch. Today, we decided to teach you how to make this our lovely bedroom slippers. Yeah, these ones are for kids. We do all sizes. So these ones are for kids. So I'll be teaching you how to make this bedroom slippers. You see those um Ankara pieces that you have in your shop that you don't know what to do with them? Don't worry, you would start producing bedroom slippers for sale. So just sit back and watch the whole process. Okay. These are the materials I'll be using for my bedroom slippers production. You need this foam, also a leather. I use leather for the down parts, okay, so that it can last a little. So you'll be needing this leather, your foam, and then your patterns. So if you have a box in your shop, you are not doing anything with it, you can cut different sizes and then pull them down for use. This size 40 left, you flip it over, it becomes right. So that's what you have to do. You don't have to cut both foots, just cut one, then you keep flipping it over to get both. And these ones are for the kids, size 44. We have all the sizes, size 38, 42, and all the sizes you can think of. Yeah, there's 38. So you can also do same. Don't throw it away because you'll be needing it anytime you want to produce bedroom slippers. And also for the upper part, you'll be needing this pattern as well for the upper part. This one for the kids, and I have one for adults as well. This one is for the adult size. So the measurements, you can write them down. There is 8.5 for the adults, 8.5 by 6.5, 8.5 by 6.5. Then the kids is 6.5 by 4, 6.5 by 4. Okay, so then you cut 6 down as well. Okay, so I will be producing size 38 and size 40 today. Size 38 and size 40. So let's keep this ones aside, but we'll be using these patterns as well. So what we are going to do is to get our leather, and then we place the pattern you are going to use on it. This size 38, so just place it on it and then you cut. You can also choose to trace it with your tailor's chalk. You can choose to trace it with your tailor's chalk to make it easier for you to cut. So after tracing this, that's what I have. There's the size 38 left. But since I'm cutting on fold, see, I'm cutting both of them at the same time. So by the time I cut, the down one will become the right foot. So I'll be cutting both of them together. Okay. So let's cut. After cutting this, we'll be cutting our foam as well, and also our Ankara pieces. We'll be cutting them as well. So let's cut. Yeah, so after cutting, that's what we have. This is the size 38, the foam, the leather left and right, the foam left and right as well. Then our fabric left and right. Then the upper part, I also cut leather for both. And then the fabric should be on fold like this, because we are going to fit the leather into the fabric to cover the slippers. Okay, so this for one and this for the other one as well. And I did the same thing with the size 40. Okay, we are not going to use glue in this process. Okay, we are going to stitch everything with the machine, so don't worry, sit back and enjoy the next video. I'll be teaching you how to stitch all the pieces step by step. Okay, so all you need to do is to like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that whenever I post a video, you also watch and also learn something from DIYSlippers. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.